Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathan Skinner and today we're looking at some fully trimmed front seats for the Jaguar XK150 open two-seater Roadster. So these have been sent to us by our customer. He sent us his original frames, which we sandblasted and painted, and then we've fully trimmed them up using new moulded foams, new seat covers and new wood work underneath on the sort of backrest elements of the framework there. This has been done in biscuit and using our grained leather. We can also offer in smooth and vomal, depending on the colour. So just see our website for more details on that. And like I say, yeah, we've obviously sewn the seat covers, then fully trimmed them up, etc. This is for a customer based over in Europe. We'll be shipping directly out there. But yeah, very nice job. XK seats, these are obviously the bench style seats, not the bucket seats, as they form essentially a bench from left to right. They are notoriously tricky to trim. The cushion bases, the bit your bum goes on, is quite straightforward, but the backrests really are quite complicated in the way that they are trimmed. Very akin to trimming a boat seat, if anyone's familiar with that. But not an easy job, so we'd always recommend getting a professional with experience of the XK seats to do it. They've been made to original spec, so majority leather. We refer to it as leather faced, but basically everything's leather apart from the piping, which is leather cloth, and then the backs of the seats, if I just tip this framework down, that's moquette, which is a high quality wall material that Jaguar used for these specific areas of the car, and wheel arches and normally areas like that as well. And then also these side panels here, they're trimmed in vinyl. Same again on this underside panel here, that's vinyl. And then the retainer down here as well is vinyl, but obviously you don't really see that when it's all said and done in the car. So yeah, commonly referred to as leather seats, but strictly speaking leather face, because not every element is leather, so just bear that in mind. But yeah, as you can see, very nice job. Yeah, like I say, very tricky seats to do, so get a professional to do it, or get ourselves to do it. I'm more than happy to help and guide on those there. You want to be getting a nice bit of curvature and shape and definition to the seats as per that. Just bear that in mind. Nice little benchmark for you to go for. But yeah, just thought I'd do a quick video just to showcase those bits and bobs. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and stay tuned for our next episode. Cheers.